you all had a good Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the dads, the stepdads, the granddads, the dads of their furry pets, and anyone else who has the role of a dad. All right. Happy Father's Day, everybody!
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, everybody! Hi, Julian, Scott. There's Lukey Duke. The boys don't like to get their videos taken of them, so they hide their eyes with their cuckoo. There's Aaron, Lucas, Jake, Kyle. Nana and Papa down there. Restaurant's crowded. Hey, happy Father's Day. Woo-hoo. Here's the four grandsons. They're playing with the new U-ball basketball net. Folds up, and you can put it in a backpack. They want to bring it to the beach when we go on vacation this summer.
They've only done one pass. They've only done one pass.
Okay, everybody, I'm back. Hey, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. But I took the ice cream balls out of the freezer. They're all coated. You gotta move fast with this because you don't want anything to melt. Now, I preheated my air fryer for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. So I'm gonna take out the basket and I'm gonna put a piece of aluminum foil in here that I poked a few holes in with a toothpick. It just makes it a lot easier to clean. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of these ice cream balls and I'm going to put it in the air fryer. You can put a couple in, but right now I'm just going to put one in. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to turn it on air fry for 400 degrees for just 2 minutes. And then we're going to serve them. So let me see how this goes. All right, let's see. 2 minutes are up. Oh yeah, this looks good. Let me just take the foil right out of here. Oh, too hot. Let me get this out. Oh, does this look good? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now put it right in there. Look at that. While I'm air frying the rest of my fried ice cream balls, I thought I'd show you what else we have. This is a cannoli pie, and if you know me, you know I love cannolis. And wait till you see this. Look at this. It's a Father's Day chocolate Bombay cake. And it has all kinds of things on it. There's a mustache, a saw, a hammer, a wrench. It says Dad on there, and it says Happy Father's Day. And over here, my daughter made this, and I'll let her tell you what it is. What is this, Dawn?
It's a Twix dessert.
Ooh, a Twix
So it has
dessert.
all the layers that would be inside a Twix, like caramel, chocolate, crushed cookies.
Oh, it looks good. So, like I say, there's always room for dessert. And Scott looks like he's enjoying his fried ice cream. Here's the new addition to our family. Yes, you're right. It is a turtle. Don't judge. And don't look at me. No, my grandson brought it over. And he told me it was little. And he said it's in a little tank. Well, look at this. Does this look like a little tank to you? Right now we have it in our enclosed back porch until we get a stand for it. Hello, little turtle. Oh, and that's the dog. Yes. The dog is jealous because I'm talking to the turtle.
Come here, honey. Come here. Come here.